Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute relax and relieve stress meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to continue laying down in your bed or wherever you are resting, or you can sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back, with your hands on your knees, facing downwards to ground all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Breathing here naturally, with your eyes still gently closed, collect what is causing your body to stress and experience any unwanted emotions. If it is causing you to react in an undesirable manner, we are going to release it in an effort to soften the reactions that your body is currently experiencing. Let's take 3 rounds of deep breaths as we relax our mind, freeing it of any adverse thoughts. If it is comfortable for you, place one hand over your heart and one over your stomach. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. Feel your chest and stomach expand and release the tension to assist in relieving stress. 2 more times. Another deep inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale out through your mouth with a deep sigh out. One last time. Take one last deep inhale in through both nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. Release your hands from your heart and stomach and place your right thumb over your right nostril and press softly in closing it. Keeping your mouth closed, inhale through your left nostril for 5 seconds. Hold your breath for 3 seconds while releasing your right thumb from your right nostril and restrict your left nostril with your left thumb and release your breath through your right nostril on an exhale for 5 seconds. Repeat this 2 more times. This time, release your left nostril and use your right thumb to hold your right nostril. Inhale for 5 seconds through your left nostril. Hold your breath for 3 seconds while releasing your right thumb from your right nostril and restrict your left nostril with your left thumb. Now release your breath through your right nostril on an exhale for 5 seconds. Last time. Restrict your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale through your left nostril for 5 seconds. Hold your breath for 3 seconds while releasing your right thumb from your right nostril and restrict your left nostril with your left thumb. Then release your breath through your right nostril on an exhale for 5 seconds. Release your hands down to your knees, palming them to ground yourself in this practice, allowing your body to find its rhythm naturally and for your heart rate to normalize from the spike it experienced when you felt the stress creeping on. Soothe your soul with the natural breaths and stillness you are witnessing in this moment. All right, beautiful beings, as we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, peaceful thoughts, intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep breath inhale to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am relieving stress by relaxing my mind, body, and spirit. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you. Ashe. Now, if you prepared to move forward with your day, we're going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, Wiggle your fingers and toes, close your mouth, and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side in a fetal position. Stay here for a moment and place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this relax and relieve stress meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.